Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Illinois lawmakers are pushing to limit how consumers can buy electric vehicles in the state, a move that's sparking debate among advocates for clean energy and industry experts. State Sen. Ram Villavalem has proposed Senate Bill 1939, which would prevent independent EV manufacturers from selling cars directly to customers unless they go through auto dealer networks. That's a big shift from how companies like Tesla and Rivian sell their vehicles today. By limiting direct sales, the state may be able to maintain its relationships with traditional dealerships and support the local car industry. But critics argue that this move will only push consumers out of Illinois and into neighboring states, costing jobs and generating tax revenue elsewhere. The controversy comes as the state is investing heavily in electric vehicles. In fact, just yesterday, Canadian bus manufacturer Damara Corporation announced plans to build a plant in Peoria, creating 90 full-time jobs and making over $31 million in capital investments over 4 years. This move is expected to have a positive impact on local economies and support the growth of sustainable jobs. The last time an electric bus company set up shop in Illinois didn't fare well. Lion Electric near Joliet declared bankruptcy after just 2 years in operation, despite receiving $50 million in state tax incentives. So, what's driving this latest investment? Governor J.B. Pritzker has committed to a goal of 1 million electric vehicles on the road by 2030 and net zero greenhouse gas emissions by 2050. As Illinois continues to push forward with its clean energy ambitions, it's worth noting that the state is taking a unique approach to supporting the growth of independent EV manufacturers. But will this move ultimately benefit consumers or just maintain the status quo? That's a question for lawmakers to answer as they weigh the pros and cons of Senate Bill 1939. At Electro Drive News, we're committed to bringing you in-depth coverage of the latest developments in the electric vehicle industry. From policy updates to company announcements, we'll keep you informed on the road ahead.